Hi, and welcome back to the Micro-Niche Blueprint training series, where you will learn the step-by-step process of creating micro-niche websites. These websites can bring you in a little extra money on the side or eventual freedom from the 9-to-5. In this video, we will continue where we left off, learning about setting up WordPress. Let's get back to it. We ended the last video talking about the appearance options inside WordPress, so let's move right along and get into plugins. Now, plugins are like extra features that allow you to do more and more with WordPress. You can think of them as shortcuts, kind of pre-packaged code that helps you complete a task. If you can dream it, there is probably a plugin to help you out. Alright, when we installed WordPress, some plugins came along with it. I will just delete these real quick so we can start fresh. I will just select all and then hit delete. I then click on Yes, delete these files. Alright, it looks like this Jetpack plugin wants me to deactivate it first. So I will hit deactivate and then hit delete. Okay, we now have a fresh slate to work with. To add a new plugin, just click on the Add New button on the top. The first plugin we will install is Fast Secure Contact Form. I will just type in Fast Secure and hit Search Plugins. This plugin gives you a real easy way to add a contact page on your site and presents the visitor with a little form to fill out. I will click Install Now and then OK to have it start installing. This should only take a few seconds. Then I hit Activate Plugin and it's installed. Let's add the next one. Type in Easy AdSense and click Search again. This plugin gives you a really easy-to-use interface for adding Google AdSense code to your site. If you do not know what AdSense is, don't worry. I will explain it in detail in a later video of the training series. Just know for now that this is a way of monetizing your site. We go through the same process here and then activate the plugin. Let's just go ahead and dismiss this reminder for now. We will next add WordPress SEO. This is a great tool for changing your page description and title, as well as customizing what searchers see when they find your site in the search engine. You can type in your target keyword for a page, and it will give you tips on how to improve it for a better search ranking. The last add-in we will install for now is Google XML Sitemaps. Don't worry if you don't understand what that means. Just know that it creates a file for your site that lets Google more easily navigate your site when it's getting indexed. Once we install it, you never have to see it again. The next menu item is Users. You can use this to add users that can access your site at various levels. If you have a business partner, you can add them here so you can each access the site. One thing I like to change is to create a nickname. This is the name that is used in the Written By field when you're writing a blog post. For this site, I have changed my name to Telescope Guy instead of using my login name. I will go and click Update Profile to save the changes I have made. Next on the list is Tools. Now, I have never used this menu, so feel free to explore what it has to offer, but let's move on to the big one. Along with the Appearance menu, the Settings menu is very important. Starting off in the General Settings, we see we can change the site title and tagline. This is what's displayed on the top of your website. That is, if we didn't deactivate it in the header menu. You can see the site title and tagline here on the website. I will go ahead and add some spaces to what is currently there for the site title, and then remove the site tagline altogether. We can move down to email address and make sure it is entered correctly. We can click Save Changes and move on. The Writing submenu I leave alone. On this page, you can see that you are able to add blog posts by simply emailing them in, and they will update on your website. But in my opinion, it's just so easy to log in and make sure the formatting is correct that I never use this feature. The Reading Options menu allows you to pick your home page. When someone visits your site, what will they see? With some sites, you may want it to be your latest blog posts, but for most, you will want it to be one of your pages. I click the static page option and select Home as the front page and Blog as the Posts page. Then I hit Save Changes. The next item is Discussion. These settings control if people can comment on posts that you write. For now, I like to turn these off. I will just uncheck the box that it says Allow people to post comments on new articles, then scroll down and hit Save Changes. The media options I leave alone, but the permalink options I do change. What I want to do is change it to the post name. This gives the page URL a few extra keywords and will help your site rank higher in the search engines. The next submenu item we will look at is Easy AdSense. I will hit No Thanks on this box to get rid of it. I then hit Save Changes. We will get into more detail about the Easy AdSense setup menu in a later video, and there is nothing we need to worry about in the XML sitemap options. And that's it. We have now gone through the options for WordPress so you have an idea of where to go to change certain things. Now it's time to build our site. In the next video, we will talk about content creation. Be sure to join us at micronicheblueprint.com to view the entire training series for free. Thanks for watching.